All right, Gulf Coast Renaissance, pure white. Doing a remake because of my other phone had issues with the mic.
I know.
And of course, this fan does run very well. Got a fast low and a fast medium and a fast high, so this is a really good performer.
Who fights an alligator? Details different. I have an alligator. What he shows up when he
Very good performer. I do like the looks of it.
Alligators are not pets.
No, they're not.
You shouldn't be it's not because they
All right, medium. Still moves an impressive amount of air. Like all Gulf Coast fans I've tested, they blow me away in performance.
This one, it's so beautiful.
Let's go to high.
Four blades or five blades?
I think there's 4 blades. It's not like that. Whatever.
Well, some fans can do 4 or 5, actually.
No, that one's 5. That one's 5 blades too.
Well, some of them you can actually do 4 or 5 because the motor's tapered like that. Very, very powerful. Very impressive. Without a shadow of doubt, this is one of my favorite Gulf Coast fans too, besides the Tiara. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching.